Hello, this is Razak from DataClear. In this video, I will explain how to use my multi-channel local studio dashboard templates. At the time of recording this video, I have 9 multi-channel local studio templates. Majority of them are the combination of existing single template like GA4. I have a single one, then Search Console, I have standalone one, and then I also have standalone Google Ads template. So the multi-channel local studio templates in most cases are just combining the standalone version into one unified view so you can see all your data in a single dashboard. So in this case, it is GA4, Search Console, and then Google Ads. So at the moment, the default section is the Google Analytics 4 or GA4 section. So you can see all the metrics and dimension here, and then you can see all the pages available for this section here. You can scroll down to see the rest of the pages. And then you can easily switch to the Search Console section. So now you can see this your SEO metrics and dimension and how and the performance, and then you can scroll down to see the rest of the pages. So as you can see, the pages, the default page here is overview page, but you can easily switch to another page like the rank analysis page. So as you can see, and then you have the Google Ads section. Again, the default view is the overview page, and then or you can change to any of the pages here: compare analysis, data analysis, keyword analysis. The same thing apply to the G4. So you can easily switch from the default overview page to, like, let's say, the traffic acquisition page. You can see performance for the traffic acquisition page. And then as you can see, you can select your own G4 Search Console Google as property to demo. So this allows you to demo this particular dashboard with your own data, your G4 data. Click on here and select your G4 property here. Click on this and select your own Search Console property. And you can also click on this and select your own Google Ads property. It's allow you to demo the entire dashboard by your own data. And then, like I said earlier, this particular template is for G4 Search Console and then Google Ads, but there are others. Like for example, this one is for Search Console and then Google Ads. You can see, and this one is for G4 e-commerce. The e-commerce that G4 dashboard is different from the full G4 e-commerce template. So if you are an e-commerce store and you want to focus on e-commerce metrics and dimension, this is the one you should get. And then you can see it also has Search Console and the Google Ads. And then this one is for G4 e-commerce and Search Console. The working principle of this multi-channel are the same thing. You have the pages for the default G4, and then you can switch to another data source, which is in this case Search Console, and then you can see the page available for that section under. And then this one is for G4, full G4 and the Search Console, and then this one is for G4 and Google Ads, and this one is for G4 e-commerce and Google Ads. And then we have the remaining two, which is blended Search Console and Google Ads. This allows you to see complete view from impression to conversion. So for Search Console and then Google Ads, we blend the data together. You can see the performance. I've already explained how to use each of these dashboard. And then you guys see the blended G4 and Search Console templates here. So I've explained how to use the dashboard here, the blended Google Search Console and Google Ads, and then blended G4 and the Google Search Console, and then the Google Search Console standalone, the Google Ads standalone, and then the G4 e-commerce standalone, and then the G4 full standalone, and then the free video, the walkthrough video of the free template first of my free template. So even though I use the standalone version of this template to record the video, it's exactly the same thing. For the standalone G4, you have the same page, the same metrics, and the same dimension. The only difference between the standalone and the multi-channel one that you can see other data sources here, and you can switch between section in a unified view instead of switching between tab for the standalone to switch G4, Search Console, and then Google Ads. And then these are much more cheaper than the if you buy the standalone separately. and then the blended GA4 Search Console, and then the blended Google Ads Search Console. You can see the blended dashboard together. So there's no need to switch between section because all the both dashboard has been blended together, and this allows us to do better analysis. So, and then you can see it also has the blended version, also have the data control here, so you can select your own GA4 property and your Search Console property to demo this particular dashboard. And then you can get any of these dashboard, the multi-channel local studio template or dashboard here on this page of our website. So you can click on any of them here, and then you can, if you click on any of them here, you can see the link, the button to both demo them and then to both buy them. So let's say the GA4 Search Console and Google Ads here. If you click on it, so you can see the button to buy it, and then you can see the button to demo it. So although I will leave the link for this for the multi-channel, I will leave the link for the multi-channel dashboards template in the description of this video, so you can come here and then see the one that you want and then click on the link like I just did, and then see and then demo it with your own data, so you can see which one actually applies to you and which one you want to get. And then if you don't want to get the paid versions yet, I also have free templates, the GA4 and then GA4 CRO. We have the Search Console here, so you can see how to actually use each of these dashboard before you get it. You also see what each of the templates and dashboard are capable of. So I think that's all about this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.